Best late night snack that you would advise?
Buttermilk.
Would you say late night pizzas are bad or late night biryanis are worse?
Silent reflux is nothing but the LPRD, acid from the stomach coming all the way to your throat, irritating your throat, and also it can go to the back of the nose and cause the sinusitis.
Hit us with some hacks.
Have food 2 hours before sleeping, water 30 minutes before sleeping. The actual way to sleep is not flat. Have the coffee and tea in the morning time.
Check out the full video linked below to understand this in detail. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ENT Health 360 for more such informative videos.